All together they said slow down, with my hands up and their feet down. My smile turned into a frown as I stood up and looked around. I saw that everyone was standing on somebody else's ground. I spent a year swimming in water sunk so deep beneath the sea, and then a year up in the sky and another in the trees. Then last year I spent drifting, just blowing in the breeze. Don't go letting anybody else, don't go letting anybody else change your mind. Don't go letting anybody else, don't go letting anybody else change your mind. On some night when you're feeling high and you see your life flash before your eyes, you start to realize the sun's not gonna rise a million times before you shut your eyes and break your ties. 'Cause everyone who lives is gonna die sometime. You're living your life caught in command, the vice grip vision of another man. Tell me, how do you stand and watch while everything you own gets taken right out of your hands and turned to sand? This can't be the way that you always had it planned. So what's your plan?
30 seconds and counting. Astronaut reported feels good. 25 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Don't go letting anybody else, don't go letting anybody else change your mind. Don't go letting anybody else, don't go letting anybody else change your mind. Don't go letting anybody else, don't go letting anybody else change got a little something somewhere. Everybody's got a little something somewhere. Everybody's got a little something